So I'm going to do a flying heron to start with. And if we have time, we'll do some more. I will use a different paper that we have today for sale also, if you like. It's double Shuan. Yeah. Double weight. Yeah. Double weight. Double. Oh,
You have two pieces.
Oh, yeah, it's a double.
It's double. Double waffle.
Yeah. Okay, let me.
Can you use a single Xuan?
Yeah, you can use single Xuan. We also have single Xuan. I would maybe take a single Xuan from the other table if we have time to do a comparison. Yeah, later afternoon. Yeah. And for this one, I will try to do. This is a large painting. I have to do it with more elements. So, let me see if I can do it. Okay, I got inspiration from the experience of watching birds building the nest. Actually, a few years ago, we went to the wetland near where is Huntington Beach or somewhere. We saw the birds building the net on the top of a tree. That's the inspiration. So we're going to do that. The task is divided. The male is transporting the sticks, and the female is the builder, right? Make sure they can see my painting. So I'm going to do this here. Okay. I'll do some ink, with some color maybe.
What's that blue?
Yeah, I don't know what it's a kind of Japanese color is a I don't know, 浅葱. Yeah, Japanese colors. So, yeah, sky blue. Yeah, the primary feather it's like that. You can do it from outside in or inside out. It doesn't matter. And there's like the wrist right there. Yeah, and we do some more feather line. And just it leaves out the space. It's okay. I try to do it fast. I like I say, if I start thinking, then I got trouble. And the S. And I cannot go back a little bit if it's not enough. But I don't start right away. Right? So, I just do that. And you see the movement. And where's the other? Because it's already landed.
It's open.
It's the far. It's landed on the tree, so this one's already tucked in. So it's like a, I don't know exactly how it, but in this angle, we're supposed to just do one, but this one just landed. So I just use the same brush to save time. So you can do everything in one brush. Just use partial split brush to do details. And this one I have to do okay. Just make it really simple. One stroke is still. I try to do it like holding the stick. And, you can draw the 3 lines. Too much. You don't have to worry. That's the stick. Keep it easy. Okay. So just like 2 legs, right? And I got two steel. So this one must be like that. Yes. And the talon. So that's one. So you can make it standing on the stick. So it depends on the color you have. You can change work on the proper areas. Okay, now I need to do the nest.
Ah, the big nest.
And then you
It's a big bird.
Big bird, yeah. And here's another bird.
I see them all the time going across the bridge. Yeah.
He's trying to get to the stick, so we can do the. Just draw. Hatchback is the characteristic. So some of you didn't do the hatchback. Try to hunched, H-U.
Yes.
Hunchback. Yeah, I have to make them taut. So this is this should kind of go up.
Oh, that's very cute. Just love that suggestion of what we have, you know?
Some long, some short. That's the. So when you do the tree, with just like a palm blossom. Behind is lighter, right? The branches. Stop me if you think it's finished. Let me see if I do. This is the early spring, so it's bare. No leaves, no new leaves. Yeah, just you can put some dots like dry leaves, mustards. We call it mustards. It's half viewed, so this is okay. Yeah, I think the problem is I didn't do the color on that one. So
Is this another wing right here? So is that a wing?
it's okay. So the male it should be more blue. It's okay, I'm fine.
It's
So
not
thank you.
That's the top of it, that's like the shoulder.
Top of the wing.
Maybe it's, just see one wing.
Just a little
No, I
dark
see one
accent.
wing.
I think that's it.
Oh, I see. So that's one wing.
So just some dark accent.
God, that's amazing.
Are these dark parts right here, are they the end of the wing?
Yeah,
when
it should be
they go
the
back?
flying for feather. It's the dark feather. Yeah, it should be dark. That's the only dark part. Yeah, you don't have to define. It first of all, it's the solar wave, and the second is you see from distance. Don't use the telescope. Yeah, just the impression of the bird. And movement is more important here. Yeah. So let it bleed. You create something suggestive. It's just like it's still bleeding. So let it just like pour more. You know, kind of throwing ink and let it go. So that's it. I would write inscription, and I will mount it. Should I show you the result because I want to have it. Actually, this is a double shrine, so the paper, the effect is already very nice without mounting.
So fast.
Wings.
Thank you. Let me write a title. I don't know how to say it in Chinese. Maybe you can help me. Every stick counts. Idiom, right?
Idiom. You try to make it more fancy
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Chinese sentence.
So I can write English. Why not? I'll write English because this is the American bird.
Start a new,
Ever. Yeah, spell it for me.
S-T-I-C-K. Everything counts. Counts, characteristic, counts. C-O-U-N-T-S.
And then we can write just Chinese.
Yeah, I'm thinking about Chinese. You want how many words you want? 7 words or?
就是
每句都是屋的基础。
Okay.
Means the every twig is going to be the foundation of the house.
Yeah.
每一字都是基础。Just in Chinese.
Interesting. So this one I would write the season of the year. It's a dark year, spring.
哦，今年是木木年啊。
Yeah. 雾气春 spring.
It looks like people are hungry early today.
Yeah, why don't we break
They
up?
work too hard.
Yes, I think when.
Okay. I'll let you
Add
No,
the
no, no,
color.
no, no.
start. Let me finish by the seal. That's all the.
Could you add color strokes afterwards?
Yeah, you can do that. You can add your color. Just let me show you. You can just.
Adding a little color later.
What did he put? The light blue on?
Yeah,
Like this? I got distracted
Sometimes it looks okay, sometimes it sometimes it runs.
Well, yes, the cart and the horse have gotten away from me. Both of them. So, yeah, we'll have lunch as soon as he's finished here.
Okay, that's my finished work. Thank you.
Yes.
It's like twins. The one in the bed, the long one.
Okay.
The other one's down.
Thank you.
I think they're hungry.
People are hungry. Okay, see you after lunch.